What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we're doing something a little bit different. I got invited out to a unveiling of a brand new version of a twin turbo kit that's going on in one of the local Huracans in Houston. One of my friends hit me up on Instagram, invited me out to this unveiling event. So we're gonna hop in the FRS and kind of take it to it. I don't even know if this is a car meet or what's gonna be, but we'll call it a car meet. Take the FRS suits first. Car meet, cold start, still stock. We gotta change that. Speaking of that, I had a couple of you guys in my last video in the comment section say that you guys wanted to help kind of speed the build process up a bit. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a GoFundMe. I guess I'll put it like 20 grand. I don't think this car is gonna cost more than that to build. But if you do want to donate, help the build process go by a little bit faster, I'm gonna put like a link to all the things I want in the description of this video, and we'll get this popping piece by piece. We'll get this car built and looking awesome for y'all to see when we take it out to Cars and Coffee and stuff like that. So with that being said, we got 66,782 miles on the clock. Let's drive down to the Galleria and check us out this brand new version of this twin turbo kit to go on this Huracan in Houston, baby. Let's go. Okie dokie fellas, after a short little drive in traffic, we have made it to the DME Tuning event. We got a lot of cars here, some cool things. We're gonna look around the show, check out the unveiling of the twin turbo kit, and enjoy these awesome cars. Let's go. Alright guys, check this out. We got quite the lineup here. 458, couple BMWs, AMG GTS, and the all-new Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. I've seen one customer one of these driving around, and it was right by my apartment right now. So that's kind of cool to see another one out and about. That's a very nice color, very nice wheels as well. I dig those, I dig those. Got a DB11 in here and a Z06. Peek in there. So this side over here is the Houston House of Power side, and they have this well-built Z06. I was told it runs at 8.9 quarter mile, which is crazy. I may have to give me one of these in the future, or I should bring the FRS to them and get them to boost it. That'd be crazy. Here they are, guys. The stars of the show. Twin turbos all around. Look at that. You guys know this one. Nice. What up, what up? And then this guy's crazy. This is how you pull up and shut down a show. Oh my God. That's wild. What's up? How are you? That is crazy. Look at those turbos. So these are the ones we came out to see today. This one has the Stage 1 kit, I believe, and then the purple one has the all-new Stage 2 kit. So I guess they're testing it out, checking out everything. As you saw, this one has the Lambo doors. So, I mean, it's kind of cool. I like the wing. I like that wing. I like those rims. Got another Huracan pulling up. I believe this one's just stock. And then Austin in his new R8. What the heck, a Senna? It's a random Senna showing up to the meet. It's got numbers on it and everything. I haven't seen this one before. What?
I haven't seen it in a while, man.
What the heck? That's new. Alright, I get it, dude. You're flexing on us. What the heck? So I guess this is just Houston for you. We're here at DME Tuning, checking out all the twin turbo and tuned cars by them. And then a random Mclaren Senna shows up and decides to flex. He was at a track day the other day and just decided to show up. I didn't even know this one was in Houston. All right, so this is chassis 354 in MSO Fire Black. You can tell it's that color because it is black and then there's red flake in the paint. It's very beautiful in person, really subtle. You wouldn't really notice it was an MSO color unless you knew what you were looking at. But the matte carbon on the hood, the matte carbon on the wing, can't beat it. The Mclaren Senna has shut down the DME Tuning event. Let's go. Alright, we have just received word of a Mondo leap. We're leaving the meet with the Senna so I can come show you this thing. It's about 2 miles that way. A hypercar lineup like no other. I'm not gonna spoil it, but I just want you to wait and see. Alright, you're gonna see it in 3, 2, 1. Damn it. Alright, we're back at the meet now. I got what I could. I saw him coming down the other side of the road, but kind of got cock blocked by that car. But we did get to see it. The front of the 918 and the Senna was in front of the 918. So we're gonna hang out here until it ends, maybe watch some cars leave, check out a couple of new things that showed up. We got an R34 GTR up here, so let's see. Alright, well, we got a couple new folks here. This is crazy. I guess wide body NSX with a big old wing. I love it. With a roof scoop. What? Look at those wheels. All carbon fiber interior race car. Dang, that is sick. I think Mr. Senna's about to leave. Cold start? Yes, indeed. All right, we'll get him pulling off and then we'll check out these two new gems that have pulled up right here. Here it comes. It's backing that thing out. Big baller man. Hi, Senna. Alright, now that the Senna's gone, let's check out these two beauties. Got the new 600 LT in Helios Orange. Really, really nice in the sun. And then the big boy, the new Aventador Svj in Verde Scandal. That's the first one I've seen that hasn't been the launch color green or like gray. So this is super nice. Looks like a kiwi. That's so cool. Alright, here we have another hidden gem of Houston. I didn't know we had this either. Hey, color shift, purple R34 GTR with the Nismo wheels. Do not see these a lot in America in total, let alone in Texas. That's cool. Got the big old wing, got the Nismo wheels, and it's a right-hand drive. Ain't nothing better than that. Jeez. Verde Scandal Huracan pulled up, and he's gonna park next to the Verde Scandal SVJ. And this man's got Verde Scandal shoes on. It's like big brother and little brother. Oh, what? He's got like that's funny. It's like the same colors, but different cars, but the same brand. All right, they're leaving. He's gonna put the baby in the Recaro baby seat, and we're gonna get the cold startup. His wife is in the 600 LT, and they're heading out. Alright, they're rolling out. Alright fellas, that was the DME Tuning meet. I got to pick up Mason on the way back. I'm dropping him off at home because he wanted to come check out the meet while he was down here. So, hope you enjoyed. That Senna was super cool. The SVJ was super cool. I will definitely be back if they do decide to host another meet. We got a bunch of homeless guys over there. It's telling you to subscribe, like, and cop some Sinclair Photos merch. So you know what to do. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.